Dear children, good morning. Before I begin with the class, I hope that you all are safe and you are taking preventive uh, protective steps to protect yourself. So please be careful and it's your responsibility to spread awareness and keep on reminding your elders also. So now we want to begin with the class. Children, constructor was going. So everybody has understood what is the purpose of this keyword? What is this keyword? Everybody knows? Please tell. Hello? Am I audible? So what is this keyword? I hope you all know. So anyone please explain what is this keyword? Sarthak Garg. It is stores the value of the current calling object. So one example of this keyword I would like to show you. Here you can see that this is the constructor, default constructor, and in this I am simply printing this, and this one is the object of the sample class, and here I am printing obj. So first of all I am not printing this, then see what happens. If I am printing this obj, you will see that this has come as the output. Got it? And if I remove these comments and further if I execute this, you can see that these values are same. So whatever the address of this obj is, the same value we have got on the screen twice with the help of this. So if the name of the object I am changing to obj1, and if I am printing here obj1, this time this keyword will be printing the address of that obj1. You can see here it is the address of obj1 at the in last two lines. So initially this was representing this, and if you make one more object, and if you are printing obj2, you will see that this is the address of obj, the first object. This is the address of obj1. This is the address of obj2, and this is the address of obj2. Actually, this address we have got printed with the help of this keyword when first time constructor is invoked. When second time constructor is invoked with the help of this keyword only, we got this address printed on the screen. When third time that obj is invoked created, then we got this address, and then this is what the object value at the end which we have printed. So children, this is all about this keyword. Any problem, any doubt? Dear children, please tell. Class 10th. Now one question I am giving you. Class number. All of you have to try this. Data members. This is the number instance variable here. So with the help of this specification, children, we have to check simply if the first and last digit of the number is same or not. So all of you please try. So please try, children, all of you, hurry up, fast. This is the question. All of you please try. Please. Hurry up. You can post the solution on the GCR. Vanshika Agrawal. Sarthak Garg. Hurry up, beta. Try to solve. Yes. This is the question. This question I am posting in the chat box. So please try this. Hurry up, fast. सिमरन कौर, आदित्य श्रीवास्तव, आदित्य, आदित्य, बेटा प्रोवाइड द सॉल्यूशन, हरी अप फास्ट. Yes, anybody has done? Vanshika Agarwal. So on GCR you cannot post. So just post the main method, main part. So till now it is okay. And then post the main function which is checking the first and last digit. Post that also. But where is that code of checking? Where it is? Okay. It's okay. It will work. Anybody else? Yes, you have to post and divide the whole program in two parts and then post. Hurry up. Children, hurry up. Vanshika Agrawal, Achint Singh, Samiksha. Yes. Okay, Vanshika, it's okay. Arnav Jetli, where is your code? Arnav, where is your code? Yes, right. Yes. Arnav, yes, it's okay. Now, Shubhra Gupta, do you want to share? Shubhra Gupta. Roshan Gupta, Sanvi Arora, Archisha Verma. Beta share the code. Okay, now one more question I'm giving. We have two arrays along with the variable size. This is the constructor. Function to fill array A. Void display. Boolean is prime. Void shift. Children, in this program, what we have to do, we have to shift all the prime elements from array A to B. I hope it's clear. The question is to shift all the prime elements from array A to B. All of you please try this. The constructor is shift elements int n, and display function you just call after when you have done all shifting. Because array B will be filled only when one more thing you can have is that is there is another variable size1 which will represent total number of prime elements in the array B, and initially the size of both the arrays is same. The physical size will be same but the logical size will be different. Suppose there are 10 elements in the array A, but only 3 elements are there which are prime, so the size of the array B will be finally 3 logical size, but the physical size will be 10. So please try. We don't have to print size, and size1 we need not to print. Only size we have to input from the main method. You apply your own brain, child. Yes, hurry up. What happened? Are you trying, children? Hurry up. Try. Yes, hurry up. Hello. Try this. Any problem? Class 10th. Yes, class 10th. Bushra. Yes, anybody want to show the code? Aditya Srivastav, Aditya, Samiksha Shukla, Anusha Singh. This is it is not much time taking, children. Hurry up. Okay, I'm giving one more minute. Aditya Srivastav, Vanshika Agarwal, Anusha Singh, Arnav Jetli. Yes, beta. Yes. The size of both the arrays will be same because you don't know whether all elements are prime or not. If in case if all elements are prime, then all will be shifted. So that's why you need to take the size of both the arrays same. Thank you. Okay, children, now all of you please check. I'm just going to provide the solution here. So first of all, we need to just declare these variables, and these are instance variables. So just after the class, you have to declare these, and after that, you need to just this is what the scanner class, and here this is the constructor. So first of all, we need to receive. We need to write size 1 is equals to size is equals to n, and then we need to initialize this, and at the same time we need to initialize this also. And now after that, what we need to fill the array. So how to fill that? Void input. So here simply fill that, that is enter array elements. So that is 0 till less than size I plus plus, So we have filled that. We are going to define this display function, but remember, before that we will be uh, checking here. This function is for prime check. So this will go from 1 to n, counting the factors. Return C. And one more function is shift. This is very important. Children, here you cannot return C, it is return C is equals to 2. And one more function is void shift. This is very important. So now children, here you have to make size 1 0, because with the help of this size 1 only you are going to shift. So in order to shift, what to do, you just start a loop from 0 till it is size, and here you need to write if is prime a of I. If this is the case, then b of size 1 plus plus will receive a of I. And after that you need to print both the arrays. So first of all you need to print the original array. So here you need to write the original array is, so that is a of I with a space. Change of line is important so that you can differentiate both the arrays. And here the resultant array is so that is a of j, sorry, it is I, it is b of I, and after that you need to change the line again. So children, this much you have to do, and along with this you need to, yes beta, we can call that shift anywhere. We will be calling this shift in the main method, no issues. Here you just take n and enter array size, so that is n. Now the name of the class, the object, pass the value, call this input, call this shift, and call this display. So this is what you have to do, children. And now I'm just executing this. Yes. No issues, then size will remain 0. Now what is the problem? So the size of the first array is 10, and these are the elements. These are the elements. Now you can see that only prime elements are these 2, 3, 5, 7. Any issue, children? I am posting this program on GCR so you all can see from there. So, and now anybody who has not understood, please tell. If you want to ask anything, these are the instance variables. Here it is a constructor to initialize both these arrays. Then this is the input function for filling the very first array. This is the function for prime. You can use any method of prime in board examination. This one is the easier one. And the method which I taught you, which is the most efficient one, that also you can write, no issues. And this function is for shifting all the elements from array A to B which are prime. And every time this size 1 will get incremented. So initially size was 0. When first element came, size B of 0 will receive the element, but size will become 1. Next time, when next prime element comes, size 1, B of 1 will receive the element and size becomes 2. So this is happening. And this is the function for displaying both the arrays, and it is the main method. So I hope you all have understood. And now I'm just, it is already 11:46. So now I am posting the Google form link in the chat box so that you people can mark your attendance. And in the meantime, if you want to ask anything, please ask. So children, please ask if you want to ask anything. And if you don't want to ask anything, you can leave now. Class 10th B. Welcome. Bushra. Better wait after the class. Okay, anything else you want to ask, children? Kavya Chaudhary, Sarthak Garg, Shobhrang Avasthi. Yeah, yes. Yes, beta. Okay, but I will be explaining. Okay, actually, due to some reasons, I cannot come school these days. Uh, okay, I'm home quarantine. Okay, so that's why papers you people have not received. Okay, but I will explain. Yes, this keyword stores the address of current calling object, and it is used to differentiate local variable with the instance variable. That's it. If two variables are having same name, then this is used to one is the instance variable, one is a local variable. So in order to represent that local variable, you can use that. I'm just explaining this sample C here. Children, here I am just having one variable int n, and here I am having wait. See here there is a local variable n, and here you are passing 5 and n is equals to n. Here you have written display. So children, what is the purpose of this display? The purpose of this display is what? The purpose of this display is to display the value of the instance variable, which is n, this one. The purpose of this display is this one. So if you print this, actually what will happen, the answer should be 5, but here I have not called, better I should call. So if I am just calling this, you can see that the value is 0. Why? The value should be 5, but it is 0 because here this variable n is the local variable, and within the constructor it will be preferred. We are not able to access this instance variable because ultimately this instance variable n will get printed here. So that's why, since the value hasn't gone with to this variable, that's why this is the output 0. So in order to differentiate, we need to write this. So now this dot n means the instance variable and simple n means that local variable. That's why now the answer is 5. Saksham, understood? This variable is used to differentiate local variable with the instance variables. Yes, any other query? Yes. No. We can display that if size 1 is 0, then no such elements. You just include one more condition, that if size 1 is 0, no such elements. Thank you. Yes, any other query? Okay, now you all can leave. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.